We've started a series about the differences between British English and American English. We covered some spelling differences, word choice differences, and here we are covering some other differences. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I strongly advise you to do so, because there are many things you can learn, especially if you're taking the IELTS or the TOEFL tests, so that you know which word to use and how to spell it. Hi, welcome back to Vibes. In today's video, we will take some other differences between British English and American English, and this is going to be part 3. So stay tuned and let's jump to it. So the first list, we have the British English on the left side and the American English on the right side. The words are flat. In American English, they call it apartment. Flatmate in American English is called roommate. Public school, this is confusing. Public school is private school in American English. And what is private school in American English is called state school in British English. So public school is not the state school, and private school is not public school. Remember, public school is private school. State school is public school in American English. Housing estate in American English, it's called housing development. Again, flat, apartment, flatmate is your roommate. Public school, it's private school. Be careful here, okay? Private school in British English is public school in British English is private school in American English. And state school in British English is public school in American English. Housing estate in British English, it's housing development in American English. Next list. Hire a car in British English is rent a car in American English. Car park, the place where you park your car, is called parking lot in American English. Dual carriageway is called divided highway in American English. Dual, divided. Carriageway, highway. Number plate in British English, it's called license plate in American English. You know, the plate that comes with a vehicle, there are some information about the vehicle. Again, hire a car, rent a car, car park, parking lot, dual carriageway, divided highway, number plate, license plate. Next. So the next list. Consultant is called specialist in American English. Chemist is called pharmacist. Surgery, we're talking about the office, the doctor's office. In American English, it's called doctor's office. Possessive S. Holiday entitlement, American English is called vacation benefits. Redundant, laid off. Consultant, specialist, chemist, pharmacist, surgery, doctor's office, holiday entitlement, vacation benefits, redundant, laid off. All right, move on to the next. Next list, self-employed. Self-employed, in American English, they call it freelance. Solicitor is the lawyer, take someone to court. The Americans say sue someone. Gutted, devastated. Chuffed means pleased or proud of someone or something. Again, self-employed is freelance. Solicitor, lawyer, take someone to court, sue someone. Gutted, devastated. Chuffed, this is you, okay? Chuffed, pleased or proud. Move on to the next. So the next and the last list. Dodgy, sketchy, starter. When we talk about the food, okay? It's appetizer, appetizer. Main course, entrée or entrée. It's French word. Takeaway, it's takeout. Okay? Shop, store in American English. So British English, American English. Dodgy, sketchy, starter, appetizer, main course, entree, takeaway. When you want to take the food with you, you don't eat, you don't dine in, take out, shop, store. And that's it for today. If you have other words, kindly leave them in the comment section below, okay? That's it for today. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions or any concern, leave them in the comment section below, and we will get back to you very soon. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.